So finally, we have been able to release him from the district jail, and which is also called the correctional home, East Khasi Hills, last night.
Uhe Pyllait balasha suspend uba GK Iangrai ubalasha pla Jamin no na district jail hagamit jangkalai potari uluber ulasha Sumar haka hospital hapo sor Shillong Hadien ba ulo ot pang nakikatu kat ni kijing shitam. Unong side anjong uba Iangrai uphuyo yubin hakalai potari uluber ulaong.
Mr. GK Iangrai, the former AIG of the Meghalaya Police, have been granted bail by the learned district and session judge of the East Khasi Hills. So finally, we have been able to release him from the district jail, and which is also called the correctional home, East Khasi Hills, last night.
Uba Iangrai ubadiu Assistant Inspector General AIG Barim ka Meghalaya Police ula syakem hak atari unaiweng haja apuar hakabaya day baki atli ki mukot duma halo ka Nationwide Emergency Response System NERS pat ka dry ration supply pat Hadien kata ka kum ka kai jing toket Southly ki wei pat ki jing ujor la ujor persaya u ka wei na kita ka day halo ka jing thiet pa ka jing penon kam ki kali Pyllait.
Now, there were other three cases which the CID were trying their best to arrest him. They have, in fact, moved applications for an arrest warrant before the district and session judge. We were able to resist. We were able to fight our way out. And then finally, we have moved anticipatory bail applications in all those three cases.
Kadkum kajing thu yubin hadu mental la register hindutli ki case peshayo ba Iangrai handai omshim na yo kanu kajing tho ne ka charge sheet habaro hindutli ki case.
Many of the cases are still at a nascent stage of investigations. They will investigate him, and Mr. Iangrai has also given and assurance to the court that he is not running anywhere, and he is ready to. He has been fully cooperating with the investigations, and he is ready to cooperate with the investigation henceforth also, and he will fight his way to prove his innocence.
Habakali hatu uba Iangrai undang syakem biang uyobin ulaong em.
Whatever sections that they have to charge against him, I think it's been charged here, and I don't find any other additional charges that can be invoked here. So chances of getting him arrested against the CID arresting him here, I think that it's not possible right now.
Habakali halor kabut ya dajon ki uyobin ulaong bayamenta kim dajing tip halor ki saki sabut ki ba u investigating officer ulom persha uba Iangrai.
So right now it's too early in a day to say that how should our defense strategy be. As and when they give us a copy of the charge sheet, then only we will be able to understand where our defense lies. So that's a bit little too early to say, because it's a sub judice and it's a nascent stage of investigation, as I said.